I'm Josie. Today we're gonna do the 90s, okay? So first of all, you're gonna wrap up the annoying hair in front of your face, wrap it in a ponytail like that. You're supposed to be like diggy dong like that. Then you're gonna wrap it up in a scrunchie because in the 90s, never too many scrunchies. And oh, glossy, 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 everything glossy, glitter. Yeah, ouch. Then yeah, kind of looks like a plant. Then what should we do next? Oh, I see. Lips. Yeah. Always contouring the outside of your lips. Not everyone can rock that look, and I'm definitely not one of the people who can. So now the eyebrows, and I can definitely not rock that one. You'll see why. Okay, that one is the tricky eye. Hold on. Let me focus. Just watch this. Watch how I'm gonna nail this one. Just look. Oh, flawless. Oh my god. Damn. We will create this look with the brand new 2020 Selena La Reina from MAC. It just came out recently. It's so shiny. I absolutely love the box. Like, I'm totally crazy on it. Like, check this out. Check this out. Like, it's a boosty caca on top of it. It's awesome. It's so shiny. Oh my god. Okay, and check the color. It's like super shiny. I love it. So first of all, okay, we're gonna start with the red because I never really get to do it, and it's really like 90s as a color, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna start with, yeah, you see it? Yeah, okay. So open it, and okay, go. You do your thing like that. We start with the red. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna put like, spread it across the whole canvas, nice and even. You know what I'm saying? Spread. And, put an emphasis on, like, the inside, because you want the inside of your eye to be a little bit darker. So you're going to put an emphasis there. Don't focus too much on finishing the outside because we're going to put the crap load of pink on top of it anyway. So, yeah. I am not a makeup artist, as you can tell. I am just, another person trying to hurry up. You're going to put, like, a lighter color on top of your eyelid, like, where how deeper this part is? Okay, so what we're gonna do once we're done with that, yeah, we're gonna use whatever you want. It's up to you. I'll use this one. You're going to put a darker color and just really make it nice and even so that it really just defines the eye. You can use your finger, but here, like you can see, there's kind of a triangle that you need to follow. I just use my finger if it's just doesn't look nice, and actually it does a pretty good job. So you see here that triangle? Yeah, that's what you're gonna do. Now my face is oily, so give me one moment. But here you can clearly see that sort of triangle. Now we're gonna put the pink. We're up for business here. Spread it nice and even all across the canvas, guys. Don't be shy, put some more. You can put a lot, okay? But you see, it starts to look like something. Check it out. It's very important that you put enough on the outside of the eye, because otherwise you're just gonna look like you got punched in the face. It's not good. So spread it nice and even, but emphasis on the outside. And you're gonna put a little bit on top, all the way up, because just so it blends in. From the inside, as you can see, I used a darker one just to define my eye like this, on the inside. Yeah. Now we're gonna put more white again, because I said so. Whatever. It's just to like even it out. Always do both eye at the same time. Now we're gonna blend. You can tell. Blending. From the inside. Make sure you don't have any lines. Don't be shy to use your fingers. It's fine. Now a little bit of bling. It's optional, but I like bling, so put that on the inside here, so that if you were to point a light at yourself, it's like, where would the light hit the most? Well, that's where you put the glitter. So watch this. And yes, I used the rose gold because duh. And on the inside here, I used the more like silver-ish one. Don't put that glitter in your eye. It kind of hurts. Now we're gonna even it out again. More pink. And oh, that more pale glitter here. I put in the inside. Here I use Chanel LeBlanc. Sorry, I did not have the highlighter yet. The thing to make your skin glow. You know what I mean? So yeah, I use LeBlanc Chanel here. And what I like about it is that it blends so well with eyeshadow, and this is what you get. And now, oh, you need a shell necklace or a choker, whatever, because yeah, Spice Girl, that was all about it. Now, that's, oh yeah, and the square glasses, that was so bad. The trick is, you really want to see the eyeshadow like on top of the glasses, and if you want better reception, yeah, just do something like that. So no cell phone. Yeah, here you go, and that was, ouch. Yeah, complications. Hope you like it. Ta-da! Please understand, I am not making fun of Selena. She was actually one of the very few people who could rock the 90s style, and I just cannot. So this is the irony here, and I am not a makeup artist.